In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate games in Battle.net. Whether you're new to Battle.net or a seasoned gamer looking for a refresher, I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can easily access and play your favorite games. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your Battle.net desktop application. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll want to download it from the official Battle.net website and set it up. Once the app is open, log in with your Blizzard account. If you're having trouble remembering your login credentials, there's an option to reset your password. With the app open and you logged in, you should be greeted by the main dashboard. This dashboard showcases featured content and announcements from Blizzard, but our focus will be on the left sidebar. This is where all your installed games are conveniently listed. If you don't immediately see your games here, don't worry, they'll be there once your library is set up. Now, let's move on to finding games you haven't installed yet. At the top of the left sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Games. Click on it, and the platform menu will drop down. This allows you to switch between different Blizzard games and partner games. Explore this menu to discover new and popular titles available on Battle.net. While scrolling, if there's a game that piques your interest, click on it to learn more. You'll find detailed game information including trailers, screenshots, and system requirements. To locate a specific game from your library, use the search bar at the top right of the Battle.net window. Enter the name of the game you're looking for, and Battle.net will quickly pinpoint its location. This is a fast and efficient way to access games, especially if your library is extensive. Once you find the game you're interested in, click on it. This will navigate you to the game's dedicated page within the app. Here, you can see options for updating, installing, or playing provided it's already installed. If the game requires installation, simply click the Install button, and the Battle.net launcher will handle the rest. It's worth noting that this process might take some time depending on the game size and your internet speed, so patience is key here. Congratulations! You've now learned how to locate games on Battle.net with ease. Remember, whether it's discovering new games or accessing your existing library, Battle.net's intuitive interface is designed to make this process smooth and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the help section within the app or reach out to Blizzard support. Thank you for tuning in, and happy gaming!